Is it possible to make $50,000 per month selling just one product that doesn't require Clickbank? Well, today I'm going to share a little known strategy I'm learning and now using from someone who's done it and continues to do it month after month. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So in this video, I'm going to give you the strategy of how you can make $50,000 per month from one product. And you don't need to create the product or design the website, but you can still get to make monthly commissions. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, before I go any further, I want to make it crystal clear that this is not a strategy that you get to click a button and boom, commissions come falling out of the sky faster than you can spend them. There are no guarantees that you will make $50,000 per month using this strategy. And as someone who has recently started using it, I can attest to the fact that it doesn't happen overnight. But if you apply what I'm going to share with you and you persist like you need to with anything worth having, then you can get the results that you want. And despite what you may have heard, you don't need to be promoting 50 different products or be promoting in heaps of different niches. I'm going to show you how you can promote low cost or even free products and still earn a full-time income. So, do you want to know what the strategy is? Of course you do. Now, before I go into the detail of the companies you can use to make this work, let me give you the back strategy that makes it work that not a lot of people are talking about. It's called the partner strategy, and here's how it works. Your normal affiliate marketing strategy is you find a product to promote. You access your links and then you share the links, whether it's on social media, in your emails, on your website, or however you share your links. And for each sale you make from your link, you get a commission. And in this model, that's normally where the transaction ends. You can then start the pursuit of the next lead, the next sale in order to make your business sustainable and keep earning an income. This can be a very tiring and, let's face it, difficult model to sustain. Starting from scratch every month is not easy, and it doesn't provide any real surety for your efforts. You have no security of income to be able to make sound financial decisions about your marketing spend or even your living expenses. However, with the partner strategy, it works differently. When you find a company that you can partner with, and there aren't a lot of them, they will truly partner with you and give you a commission on every sale they make from the customers you introduce to them for life. Every time they purchase from your partner company, you receive a commission. Now, that is what leads to monthly recurring commissions, the real lifeblood of yours and my affiliate marketing businesses. Now, like I said, not a lot of companies do this, which probably explains why you don't hear about it that much. Well, the good news for you today is that I'm going to share with you two companies that will partner with you, and I'm using both. One is with the person who I learned this strategy from, so that's pretty cool. And the second is the one who he uses to make $50,000 per month, month after month. So let's start with that one, because I'm guessing you really want to know who that is, am I right? So the first company that you can partner with is ClickFunnels, who, if you don't know, sell a whole range of products from books, software, courses or training, and when allowed, massive events. And the beauty of ClickFunnels is you can promote a free book, and with the upsells that come with the funnel attached to the free book, you can still make a sale of more than $260 and earn a commission of 40% on that sale, all from a free book. Now, once your leads are in the ClickFunnels world, if they decide to purchase the software, then you'll also receive ongoing monthly commissions for as long as they are a customer. And the great part about ClickFunnels is that there are lots of different entry points to ClickFunnels. So you can promote the free books, of which there are 4, the software, the courses, and even the events. It doesn't matter how your lead comes into the ClickFunnels company. Once they're in, they're linked to you for life. And the great thing is, the products are all amazing. People love them and need them. So you're doing a good thing for your leads by introducing them to the products, which is the real beauty of the partner strategy. People love the products. So the second company that I've partnered with is Anthony Morrison, who taught me this strategy and is using it with ClickFunnels to make $50,000 per month. Now, Anthony saw the power of this strategy and wanted to make it accessible to more people. So he created a program where you can partner with him as well. Now, just like with ClickFunnels, there are a number of ways you can enter Anthony's program. I entered via the Partner with Anthony program, which is the most complete training on affiliate marketing you can get. Once inside, Anthony will teach you how to use his program and this strategy to make a full-time income and more. And the beauty of Anthony's company is that there is a program you can use to ensure you get commissions from every product that your lead buys from him. It's called the Ambassador Program. I've used this program and I highly recommend it. And the bonus of being a part of the Ambassador Program is that you have the capacity to earn high ticket commissions on a range of products that helps boost your income very, very nicely. Anthony programs are designed to be a win-win that help you earn great commissions and they solve problems that your audience are having or looking to solve. Now, when it comes to looking at the company you want to partner with, you want to ensure that you can provide the three main tools that an online or affiliate marketer will need to succeed. We call these the basic tools. So let's take a look at what they are. The first is software to build pages so you can promote your offers, which I'm using ClickFunnels to do. Now, there are others, but if you're going to use the partner strategy, why not use one that truly partners with you and delivers the Holy Grail, ongoing recurring commissions. The second of the basic tools is an email autoresponder. Now again, there are a lot of different autoresponders out there, all with different degrees of complexity and functionality. The one I use is GetResponse. The thing you want with your autoresponder is the functionality to get emails to your leads and to be able to manage a range of follow-up emails in a sequence or campaign. I don't recommend getting too hung up on all the fancy functionality that is in the early stage. GetResponse does everything you need. The third of the basic tools is software that can assist you to track your links. You want to be able to track your links so you know what's working, where your sales are coming from, what traffic source is working best and what isn't. I use a tool called Build Redirects, and this tells me everything I need to know about the links I'm using, which is very important to your business. So don't overlook this important tool. Now, the crucial part of these basic tools is that every one of your leads should be using them if they're growing their own business, as should you. And they each provide monthly recurring commissions. So if all you do is help your leads to get set up and using these three basic tools, you can make a very nice, consistent monthly income. Now, here is a special secret. This is something that your competition won't do, but it'll make all the difference. And it's something that I do always, and that is offer your new customers some one-on-one support to help them get set up with the tools. If you can help them, teach them how to get started, they're far more likely to use the tools and therefore need them as they grow their business. So offer them some support as part of your sales pitch. In my case, I have a number of ways of doing this. However, the general gist is you can get 30 days of support from me if you buy using my links. And this way I get the opportunity to work with you to ensure you get the most out of the products and your use of them in your business. I find this is the best way to help people overcome overwhelm of a new software or tool, and I also get to build a relationship with them, which you just never know where that may lead. Maybe one day they'll partner with me on one of my products, or vice versa. Again, it's win-win. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how you can start building a $50,000 per month strategy into your business. So let's do a quick recap of the partner strategy. First, find a company to partner with, like ClickFunnels or PWA. Second is ensure your leads have the three basic tools. Third, provide your lead with one-on-one support to get them set up. And finally, lock in the monthly recurring income. Now, if you want to follow what I'm doing or you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started in building a sustainable, profitable affiliate marketing business and on your way to earning an online income in the next 30 days, which includes access to the partner strategy. Thanks for watching today's training, and don't forget to get access to my free course on affiliate marketing and how to get started. click the link in the description and you'll get the free course and a bunch of resources to support you. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget, to get started with affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started from today.